Jai Sriman After concluding 13th day final rites at burial ground, Bharata, Shatrughna along with Mantri Purohitas, they came back to Ayodhya kingdom, and after they came home, now Shatrughna and Bharata having a conversation. Shatrughna is expressing his feelings to Bharata, saying that, "Oh Bharata, the one who used to take care of each and every one at every circumstances and at every situations, such Ramachandra is not here with us now. He is sent to forest along with Sitamma by our father Dasaratha Maharaju. Oh Bharata, we realize that we know that Rama is very humble to our father. Whatever our father says, he would just do that. He would not say no. But what happened to Lakshmana? At least Lakshmana should have gone against father's orders and stopped our Rama from going to forest. Lakshmana also did not do that. Like this, Shatrughna and Bharata were having a conversation. At that time, Mandhara, the one who caused all this destruction, the hunched back lady, she came there. She was just standing at the main eastern entrance. She has so many jewels on her. She is decorated with so many jewels. And with having so many ornaments all over the body of that Mandhara, she is looking like a monkey which is tied with so many ropes. Such Mandhara is standing at that east door, looking at Shatrughna and Bharata happily, thinking that she did a great job. At that time, those security guards immediately caught hold Mandhara and brought her to Shatrughna, and saying to Shatrughna that, "Oh Shatrughna, this is the lady who caused all this destruction. This is the lady who is behind all this disaster. Because of this lady, our Rama went to forest. Because of this lady, our king Dasaratha Maharaju died. Please take her and give her a suitable punishment." Like that, those security guards handed over Mandhara to Shatrughna. Shatrughna, until then he was in so much sad position, so much grief. Immediately, all of a sudden, his anger popped up and he caught hold Mandhara and he was dragging Mandhara on the earth. At that time, after seeing Shatrughna's angry, Mandhara got so much scared and started crying loudly. With her cry, the entire building got getting shaken. That much she is crying. And she also has some friends outside there. They have seen Shatrughna dragging Mandhara, and they just disappeared, absconded from there, and they ran away each and every corner. And then all of them at some place again got together and started thinking that our life is gone now. Shatrughna won't leave any one of us. Shatrughna is going to kill every one of us. Now, let us all go to Kausalya Mata and surrender to her. She is only the one who can save us. Like that, all the friends of Mandhara decided. Here, Shatrughna is dragging Mandhara, Mandara started crying a lot. Mandara's ornaments all over fell down in the entire building. By then Kaikamma came over there. Mandara, when she started crying and asking Kaikamma to save her, Kaikamma stopped Shatrughna doing anything to Mandara. Tried to stop, Kaikamma trying to stop Shatrughna, but Shatrughna completely ignored Kaikamma. At that time, Kaikamma got so much, she also got scared from Shatrughna's angry. And immediately Kaikamma went to Bharata thinking that only Bharata can stop Shatrughna. She requested Bharata. Then Bharata said, "Ho Shatrughna, avadhyaha sarvabhutanam pramadaha kshamyatam iti." Ho Shatrughna, we should not be killing women. We should not be killing ladies. Come on, leave her. Do not do any harm to her. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.